Is actually off here. The fitting is actually going to look like that. And then to complicate things, I don't have a decent picture of the job, and I don't have any notes as to whether or not I have 3 inches to move the furnace to the right. So hopefully there's nothing 3 inches to the right of the existing furnace, or I'll be back here in the morning making metal. Got a furnace and air here. We're changing this one from a 90 to an 80. Going up the chimney. It's got a 6-inch liner already. And we're going to use this. He's got a deck out here, and he didn't want to punch through his log siding rim joist. So that's the main reason for going back to an 80, I think. So we're going to use this for our fresh air intake. They've got one cut into the return right now. Here's the unrestricted opening for that, but that's right at grade level out there, so, and there's no way to get to it. I have no idea where it comes in, so we're just going to use this for our intake here. Just drape a 4-inch down there. And Corey's out there taking out the old Lennox air conditioner. We got a 3-ton air and 110,000 single stage 80%er going in. We'll get to it here. We got our air cleaner mounted, boots mounted, plenums on up here. All we gotta do is flip that up, stick the coil on it, and should all go right together. I think the AC is done out there. All the lines are all flushed. Got wiring left here. Chimney. Right there. Alright, there's Smiling Jack over there. AC's done. Getting ready to check it out. Looks good. Hey. Okay. Humidifier's hooked back up. I got my water heater back on. Saddled that guy into there. Heat shield back there so it doesn't burn down the house. Air cleaner's put together. Fan speeds are set on the furnace for our 3-ton air, and factory setting for the heat. We'll check that out, see if that works with our temp rise. And safety switch on the pump. Everything's wired up here. Looks fabulous. Just got to do my gas and finish the venting. And then we'll be able to check out the furnace. All wrapped up. We're just getting ready to fire up the furnace. AC's checked out. Combustion analyzer, temperature probe. Got that heat shield in there to protect them drain lines. Heat shield back there to protect the framing. Just gonna hook up the manometer and fire up the furnace here. It's a wrap. I don't know what to say. Temperature rise was perfect. 50 degrees. 40 to, what was it? 30 to 60. So we're on the a little bit high end. 40, 50, yeah. Oh my.
Here we go.